Czy masz odwagę powiedzieć żonom, dziś stałem tam, gdzie stało domo?
Welcome guys, and I've been at Burger King, inside the Burger King. I went there because I wanted to try the Cheester burger. I don't know why, I said maybe I want to be a little more slim and maybe lose some weight, but when I've seen the information that there is a Cheester burger in Burger King, good. Try and you try. Yeah, and I went there and I tried the Cheester chicken. Exactly, the name is the King's Collection Cheester Chicken Burger. And we have it. Okay, we have it. Some tissue. We have this Cheester chicken. Let's try it. Absolutely try it. We have a bread, brioche bread. Expensive. We have a chicken. We have a baked cheese. We have bacon, salad, sauce, and a box. I don't eat box. Interesting. Nice. Interesting. Nice. Cheester chicken. Absolutely amazing. So good. First of all, we have a butter in a brioche type of bread. From my point of view, the brioche type of bread tastes me better than a cheese bread, lumberjack. I love lumberjack better, but the brioche bread, this is a sweet bread with a butter. Butter. Yeah. And then we have one or two, it depends on what you choose, pastry of chicken, melted baked cheese, Gouda cheese, bacon. After bacon, we have a salad, and we have a sauce. I can feel a little garlic and lumberjack inside. I don't know is it true, but I can feel that a little garlic and a little horseradish there. There's a little horseradish and a little garlic, like it tastes inside, but it's really nice. The sauce is made with mayo, but you can feel that garlic and horseradish. Then what about as I said, the bread is great. Then chicken. What about the chicken? The chicken, fresh, really crispy, but not spicy, not very spicy, just a little, very little spiciness, very, very, very little. You can, some people cannot even feel that spiciness inside that Cheester burger, but there is. Then, the important thing, is that chicken better or worse than McDonald's, KFC, and the Popeyes? I will tell you, it's different. There's no way to say it's worse or better. It's different. The chicken, in McDonald's, the chicken is really not really nice. It's really bad. The chicken in McDonald's. In McDonald's, we choose usually a beef, and this is a small pastry of beef, about 100 grams, usually. Here we have 150 grams of chicken, the same as 150 grams of beef in a beef version. This is a standard for a Burger King to use 150 grams bigger pastries, half bigger than McDonald's. Then, in McDonald's, they have worse chicken. I don't like the chicken from McDonald's. I like the full chicken, not melted like in the McNuggets, because in McNuggets you have everything melted and it doesn't taste well in the nuggets. In KFC, they have really nice, really spicy chicken, and this chicken in a grinder or double grinder is really okay. I love the chicken in the KFC in a grinder, but I also love chicken from a Popeyes. And in a Popeyes, the chicken, we can choose the chicken in nuggets or wings. And I prefer wings. This is really great chicken. This is also really great chicken in burgers. They call it sandwich, but this is a burger. I don't like the Popeye chicken in the nuggets. Just nuggets is melted, it's trashed, and it's like shredded. No, I prefer wings or burgers. But I have absolutely wonderful spiciness, and they have wonderful voodoo sauce, and it's really spicy and really great. And when you try the boats, when you have barbecue wings, you have classic wings, you have voodoo wings, and you have a cheese, chili cheese wings. All are great. You can say that comparing KFC to Popeyes, Popeyes usually has better quality but it's more expensive. The thing is that there's a problem. KFC have different quality in every country. So in Europe, usually they have good quality. That KFC has a good quality. So if you want something in a reasonable price, usually the McDonald's will have a good beef, and a KFC will have good chicken. If you will go to Burger King, you will have a really premium quality great beef, but they're not the experts of chicken. And if you will go to Popeyes, you will have the best quality of chicken. In the wings, not in the nuggets, in the wings. So that's comparable. Here, this chicken from Burger King, in a Cheester, is good. It's really good. It tastes well, it's fresh, it's absolutely great. But I know that in the Popeyes it will be much more spicy. Here it's not spicy, because the accent goes to a sauce and to a cheese. Depends what you like, what you want to eat. I'm not saying it's better or worse, just here the most accented taste is that baked cheese and a little horseradish in a sauce. Not so much chicken. In KFC or Popeyes, you will have the first feeling of chicken. The chicken is crazy there. It's angry and it tastes great. Here is really good chicken, but you go through a chicken and you go to a baked cheese, and that baked cheese is absolutely first class, wonderful cheese. If you will compare to a lamb burger in a McDonald's, you will see that it's much better quality cheese. There is just a melted cheese, which sometimes tastes like a sauce. Here in Burger King now, I can feel that this Gouda cheese is absolutely wonderful, and it's baked, and it's melted, baked, and it tastes wonderful. It's great, the best, and the best forever. It really is the best forever. Then we are going to a bacon. The bacon is good, well, it's straight, crispy, fresh bacon. I love bacon. It's absolutely great. And the sauce, as I said, you can feel a little horseradish and a little garlic inside. That's mayo, but it's absolutely fresh and great. Sometimes you need to wait for that burger, but it's worth it. And the price, 10 euros for a burger. 10 euros for one burger. This is a standard price, but this is, as I said, with beef version. Here in a chicken, this is a premium top installation burger. It's not a standard burger. It's not a burger for everyone. Let's say this is like a S-class burger. It's not for everyone, but you will really enjoy it, and you will feel it, and you will be excited with that burger. So for a single version, you have to pay 10 euros. What the fuck is that? Then, if you will choose a version with a double pesto with chicken, it's available, you pay additional 2 euros, 2 double chicken. If you want double cheese, also 2 euros more. And if you will take a meal, 3 euros more. And you can choose what you want. Double chicken, from 10 you go to 12. If you want to take a double cheese with one chicken, from 10 to 12. Price goes 2 euros more. If you want to take double chicken and double cheese, 2 euros, so it's 4 euros more, from 10 to 14. And if you will want to take as a meal, you need to add additional 3 euros. So you have a version from 10 euros with a single chicken, single cheese, up to 17 double as a meal. You can choose. You can, of course, take the version for tourist version, which is single single chicken, single cheese as a meal. So it's 10 plus 3, 13 euros, and you are absolutely satisfied. Is one standard burger enough for a big man? My weight, I'm 250 pounds. This is my weight, 250 pounds, and I'm 5 feet and 10 inches tall. So I'm almost 6 foot. 5 foot and 10 inches. I'm almost 6 foot. I need 2 inches, so it's like to be 6 feet tall. So I'm 5 feet 10 inches tall. And for me, one burger with a single chicken, single cheese is enough. Really. Double is too much for me. So you can imagine how big and how good this burger is. Then with one piece of beef or one piece of chicken and one melted cheese in a brioche, I'm full. I don't need a double. So imagine that. Taste, I'm absolutely satisfied. So I've told about all parts of that burger, and together as a installation Cheester chicken burger, am I satisfied, or how can I compare it with other burgers? From my point of view, it's even better than lumberjack with chicken. Because if you will talk about the beef version, I think the beef version is better than the McDonald's lumberjack standard, with a better taste. And there's a different bread, so we have brioche instead of cheese bread. But if you will compare, it's everything hard to say, because lumberjack burger is €3 cheaper. So it's €7 for a standard version, €10 for a meal, so it's €3 cheaper. But still, if we compare the top version of McDonald's, which is lumberjack in the winter season, and this Cheester burger, from my point of view, it's worth to pay €3 more. Definitely it's worth it. I think the quality is much better, and quality of beef is much better, and quality of chicken is much better. And as I said, in the chicken version, there's all the papaya has much better quality, but in a beef they're in the top. In a chicken, so there is 10 for 10 in a beef and 9 for 10 in a chicken. Absolutely wonderful. So go, try, and enjoy it. Go to Burger King, because nobody knows how long it will be available. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna catch you in my next video.
Ty tam kobiety chciałbyś zniewolić, pozbawić chciałbyś niewolnej woli. Rządzie biskupie, do was to mówię, wstydzi się was dziś kraj. Nie płaczcie siostry, ducha nie traćcie, uwierzcie w naszą wygraną w walce. Uwierzcie w to, że już niedługo piękniejszy będzie kraj.